Millennials own less than half the real estate wealth of boomers. Can they catch up? According to the National Association of Realtors, millennials were the most active home buyers from 2014 to 2021. But that is not the case anymore, and the dream of homeownership is slipping away for younger generations. Since 2023, boomers have taken over millennials, making up 39% of home buyers, the most of any generation, and that is a 29% jump from just 1 year prior. And looking at the Gen Zers is even more frustrating. They account for just 4% of home transactions, according to NAR. And unfortunately, the way the market is today, the trend does not look likely to reverse itself anytime soon. Why do I think this is happening? Well, according to a recent report from Credit News, more than 40% of all U.S. mortgages were obtained between 2020 and 2021, when interest rates were at rock bottom. And nearly 2/3 of current mortgage holders nationwide, well, these folks have an interest rate below 4%, which is actually 3 points lower than the current 30-year mortgage. However, higher mortgage rates just don't make houses less affordable for new buyers. They also disrupt supply. And that is because existing homeowners don't want to sell their houses and give up their cheap mortgage rate. This is especially true in markets that have a lot of move-up buyers or second home buyers that may want to just relocate within the area for different features. Sellers are choosing to stay where they're at and wait and see. So most folks are simply in a wait and see philosophy, where either something has to come on so attractively priced it makes somebody want to jump, or folks are just waiting and watching. And this is the reason we have one of the largest housing shortages in American history. Industry experts state that a housing market is healthy when there is between a 5 and 6 month supply of inventory. Today, we are at roughly half of that, and according to the latest Redfin Home Inventory Report, it is still declining, and it has been since last October. Simplifying this down, it means that first-time home buyers have been and continue to be out of luck. Not only do they need more income, they have to outbid older buyers flush with both equity and cash. How are the millennials faring in this market? Well, they're making headway, but still behind, despite the fact that they are the largest generation entering prime home buying age. Millennials own a mere 18.2% of real estate wealth. This is a far cry from boomers who own 41.6%. Despite the fact that millennials made significant headway during and after COVID, their accumulation of wealth is still behind the boomers. Simply put, the boomers are the buyers who have housing equity to propel them into their dream home, whether that is a place to enjoy retirement or a home near family and friends. They are living a healthier and longer life and making housing trades later in life, competing with those Gen Zers and those millennials. If you're looking for anything specific in our neck of the woods, give me a call, and I hope you're having a great day.